Hi, I'm Dan Preston with Preston Hardscape Design. And in this first episode of Hometown Hardscapes, we'll be setting the scene around a brand new Golden Eagle log home that was just built here in central Wisconsin. The theme for this design is Rugged Elegance. We're going to start out with some large granite outcropping to take on some elevation changes and set as accents. We're then going to build some natural formal staircases out of large stone slabs. We're going to be connecting everything with a permeable walkway featuring an elegant style paver laid in the timeless herringbone pattern. At the end, we're going to bring in some greenery for the scenery with some colorful perennials, some flowering shrubs, and some native evergreens. I think a lot of guys might just get a load of boulders and run them in and throw them around the house, where we're kind of strategically planning and fitting them in nooks and crannies and wherever they make sense. But here we're just adding to the side of this. There we go. That is a huge rock. The machine has a lifting capacity of 2,500 pounds, so if he can't move this rock around, we're probably pushing 3,000 to 3,500 pounds. Perfect. On this build, we're going into it with a permeable paver application, kind of a driveway detail swale right through the middle here, where permeable paving means that we're going to collect all the water and ice and snow melt and send it right down through the base reservoir, eventually into the ground. Overlaid everything here, just starting to cut the border in. These walkways will continue on either side of the driveway, so essentially it'll be a red brick walkway from the front door around to the dog area. So just kind of continuing the theme right through the driveway on this build. I just got to get these boulders set. We'll bring the rock down. The decorative rock basically takes on the drip line, and I always run edging into the boulder to make it look more natural. The boulder kind of sits halfway between the rock, and then this is a new planting space. It's just going to be top dressed with shredded mulch. Put some plants in here, and up in here we're just trying to create the space where the rock goes. I'm sweeping in permeable chips right now. Here we're going with a contrasting chip material color. Decided to go with a black joint filler. It really makes the reds and the light grays and the dark grays pop out of this design. We're all wrapped up here today. I love this grand entrance we've created. Large 6-foot stone slabs side by side to create a 12-foot wide formal staircase for this distinctive Golden Eagle log home. So now I'm down here on the walkway. We're starting to create some flow with these elegant permeable pavers. Leads us over to another stone staircase, which leads us up to these contrasting permeable landings, which will make sure this entrance is always free of snow and ice. We kept the flow going right through here as we formed out the concrete, getting ready for this distinctive curve. Moving over to this side of the home, we created this unique space for man's best friend to enjoy the outside. Well, that wraps up episode 1 of Hometown Hardscapes. Be sure to share it with your friends, comment any thoughts or questions, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you on the next one.